Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making banga soup for the first time. So I saw this small can of palm nut concentrate and I felt it to be like a good way to try it out. So I'm opening this can now and putting it in a bowl. Then I would go ahead to pour in some hot water to dissolve the concentrate. Most people use the fresh palm. I think it's called aku in Igbo. Yes, they use the fresh palm and they pound it or put it in a food processor to release its juices. But I don't have that where I am, so I'm just using this in place. So I mixed it up and I set it aside so that any stones or whatever in it would settle down. Then in another bowl, I just put my catfish cutlets and some hot water so that it can rehydrate. And then I start cooking my goat meat and shaki, honeycomb tripe. I season it with some onions, seasoning powder and garlic powder. And then I cover it to cook until it is soft and tender. So when the goat meat is ready, I just set it aside. There's no need to fry it. You don't fry it, you just boil it and just set it aside. So into this pot, I'm pouring in my palm nut concentrate. But I try not to pour everything in because there might be some particles down there. Yes, those particles. Then I just set it aside and let it cover it and let it cook for like 10 minutes to bring it to a boil. So as the concentrate has come to a boil, I put in my fish. I season it with some crayfish powder and Banga Spice. And then I add in some onions, blended onions and pepper. Yes, I season it with some blended onions and pepper. And then I cover it to let it cook for 10 minutes. I have been seeing videos like this online and I've been wanting to try it, but if you have any recommendations for palm nut concentrate, please let me know. If you've used it before, let me know, because this one turned dark and I didn't really like how the color turned, but it tasted great. It tasted so good. I think the first time I tried banga was maybe during NYSC in Abia. Yeah. And I really liked it. So here the banga has come to a boil. I'm putting in Beletete leaves. Yes, these leaves are particular for banga. Put in the leaves and then you mix it. Let it cook for a while until the oil floats properly on top of the banga. And your banga soup is ready. But here I'm still mixing it. Then I would cover it up, and it's popularly plated with starch, but I didn't have any starch, so it was my first try. It tasted really good, but just the color. So if you have any recommendations for banga palm nut concentrate, let me know please in the comments, because I want to try it again. I want to make ofe akwu stew. Yes, so let me know in the comments if you have any recommendations. So here the banga is ready and it was ready to serve. The oil was already floating on top. I served it with some yellow gari. Let me know if you've tried banga before, or if it's something that is your local dish. Let me know if I did a good job. I really enjoyed the soup. I really enjoyed it. It was really nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you. See you soon in my other videos. Bye.